Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to tell you some My Creative Time exciting news. And I am going to have actually direct you to my description box down below, or make sure you head over to My Creative Time's YouTube channel so you can get all the details. I don't want to mess anything up, so I'm going to let her explain it. So make sure you check out the rest of the designers as well. Their links will be down below. And yeah, I just wanted to come over and tell you that there's going to be some exciting new changes coming up, and to check out My Creative Times channel. That's all I have for you. If you want to read it yourself, it's going to be down below in the description box. All right, thanks so much everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.